Bugungi darsimizda Cambridge 9 Test 4 Passage 1 analizini ko'rib chiqamiz va birinchi navbatda bizdan nima kutilayotganligini bilish maqsadida tahlilni ko'rib olamiz. The Life and Work of Marie Curie. Demak, Marie Curie haqidagi statyani yoki maqolani o'qirganmiz va bundan keyin esa savol turlarini ko'rib olgan holda bizdan qanaqa skilllarni, qanaqa strategiyalarni ishlatish va bu tekstga qanaqa jihatdan yondashish talab qilinayotganligini ko'rishimiz mumkin. True false kelgan savollari. Demak, faqatgina savolni o'qigan holda keyword orqali javoblarni topsak bo'lar ekan. One word only. Demak, bu qismda summary conclusion, Marie Curie's research on radioactivity. Demak, bu qismda faqatgina savollarni o'qish orqaligina javoblarni topish ehtimoli katta. Shuning uchun ham faqat savollarni o'qiymiz, javoblarni topishga harakat qilamiz. Ketdik. Marie Curie's husband was joint winner of both Marie's Nobel Prize. Demak, Marie ikki marta Nobel Prize olgan ekan. Pierre Curie bo'lsa kerak, uni bilaman, chunki tarixdan bor bu. U o'sha anasi xo'jayini yoki turmush o'rtog'i ikkalasi ham joint winner bo'lgan ekan. O'qiymiz. She was famous, was twice a winner of Nobel Prize with her husband Pierre Curie and Henry. She was awarded, and she then sole winner of the. O'z ko'rganingizek 1903-yilda 3 kishi olgan ekan, o'zini turmush o'rtog'i yana bitta odam bilan, 11-yilda esa sole winner, yolg'iz o'zi chemistry bo'yicha olgan ekan. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize. Good job, you lady, good job. Thank you for everything that you have done for humanity. Xo'p, o'z ko'rganingizek 11-yilda sole winner, ya'ni sole winner degani u yolg'iz winner, demak only. Ikkalasi olmagan. Shuning uchun ham bu false qilamiz. Mary became interested in science when she was a child. Demak, child science. From childhood, remarkable for her prodigious memory, 16 won a gold medal for the completion of her secondary education. Her father lost savings through bad investments, and she had then had to take for work as a teacher. Earnings she was able to finance her sister's medical studies, and then Ronnie would in turn later help her to get education. Was fulfilled. Went into Paris, began to study at the Sorbonne. Into the night, lived on little more than a bread and butter and tea. First in the examination was a physical science, and this was placed on second examination in mathematical science. O'z ko'rganingizek, yoshligida ana bo'lmagan, yoshligida yaxshi memory bo'lgan, lekin birinchi kontakti physical science bilan 93-94-yilda juda ham o'sha o'rta yoshliklarda bo'lgan. Shuning uchun ham buni notga olamiz, chunki no information about became interested in demak u qiziqib qolgan degan gaplar yo'q. Ana bu bo'lishi mumkin, mana first examination bo'lgan bo'lishi mumkin, lekin qiziqib qoldi degan gap yo'qligi sababli o'shani olamiz. Qiziqib qolgan degan gap bo'lgani yo'qligi sababli notga olamiz. Marie was able to attend Sorbonne because her sister's financial contribution. O'z ko'rganingizek, bu savollarga javoblar tartibda keladi. Masalan, ikkinchi savol, uchinchi savoldan keyin kelishi mumkin emas. Mana Sorbonne bor, o'qidik buni. Because of her sister's financial aid. Buni ham o'qidik. Masalan, u singlisini medical study'larni finansiyalash qilgan, and Brownie would later in turn help. U singlisi unga yordam bergan. This promise was fulfilled. Demak, yo'qsunda uni singlisi yordam berganligi sababli ham attend qilgan, bu true bo'ladi. Keyingisi. Marie stopped doing research for several years when her children were born. Xo'p, children and several years doing research. Children topamiz. Marriage. Children. Pitch plant. Pupils. Births of this Mary's two daughters failed to interrupt her scientific work. O'z ko'rganingizek, Marining ikkita qizlarining tug'ilishi uni ilmiy ishlarini to'xtatib qo'ya olmagan degan ma'lumot bor. Failed to interrupt bo'lgan bo'lsa, demak stop qilmagan, to'xtatmagan o'zini ishini. Shuning uchun ham buni false olamiz. Keyingi ketamiz. Marie took over the teaching position her husband had held. O'zini turmush o'rtog'i ishlagan teaching position olgan ekan. Qani. Yo'q, death of her husband. She was appointed to the professorship that had been left vacant on her husband's death, becoming the first woman to teach a Sorbonne. O'zingiz ko'rganingizdek, 6-yilda o'zini turmush o'rtog'i o'limidan so'ng vakant bo'lib qolib ketgan teaching positionni olgan ekan, birinchi Sorbonnada u dars bergan ayolga aylangan ekan. Demak, bu true bo'ladi. Keyingisi, Marie's sister Bronya studied medical uses of radioactivity. Bronyani topishimiz kerak o'zi. Mana Bronya bor bu qismda, became a director. Bu qism shu qismda bo'lsa kerak Bronya. Marie also gave lectures, something. Her sister became director. Bronya haqida umuman ma'lumot yo'q. Demak, buni notga olamiz. Bronyani medical use of radioactivity o'rganganiga haqida umuman ma'lumot yo'q. Ikkita notga ham bo'ldi, ikkita false bo'ldi, ikkita true bo'ldi. Fair, guys, it's enough. Bu qismni tugatdik, keyingi qismga o'tamiz. Research on radioactivity. Okay. When uranium was discovered to be radioactive, Marie Curie found that the element called something had the same property. Uranium. Teparoqdan topishga harakat qilamiz. Where's uranium? Radioactivity. Find out it's discovered. Decide to find out if the radioactivity discovered in uranium was to be found in other elements. She discovered that this was true for thorium. Mana yozilgan ekan. Xo'p. 1896-yilda radioactivity deb nomlangan discoveryni qilishgan ekan. Keyin bu uraniumda bor radioaktivlik xususiyati boshqa elementlarda bormi deb o'ylagan, topishga harakat qilgan. She discovered that it was true for thorium. Demak, bu thoriumda borligini topgan, same propertyga ega ekanligini topgan. Thorium bo'ladi. Thoriumda shunaqa same propertylar borligini aniqlagan ekan. Marie and bu qismni topdik. Qisqasi tushunarli bo'ladigan umiddaman. Same property bir xil xususiyatlar deganda so'zdan yodlab olishingiz kerak. Marie and Pierre Curie research into the radioactivity and mineral known as led to the discovery of two new elements. Mineral. Attention to minerals, she found her interest to draw to pitchblende, a mineral whose radioactivity is superior to that of pure uranium, could be explained by the presence of the ore of small quantities of unknown substances of high activity. New elements mana qismda polonium and radium. O'z ko'rganingizda men bunga elementga uni qilyapti. Signal beryapti. Mineral known as pitchblende. Pitchblende. Xo'p, keyingi o'tamiz. In 1991, at 11, Marie Curie received recognition for her work on the element 11-yilda. She was awarded the Nobel Prize Commission for isolation of pure form of radium. Demak, radiumni isolation uchun Nobel Prize olgan ekan. They gave life for us, guys. These guys, Marie Curie, Pierre Curie, they gave life so that we'll have better living standards, better energy. So we have to be very lucky to live in this kind of situations. Marie and Irene Curie developed X radiography, which was used as a medical technique for someone or something. Kim uchundir yoki nima uchundir ishlatilgan. Mana X-ray devote herself to development, so including mobile games, which came to be known as it took Curie's use for the treatment for treatment of wounded soldiers, which was used as a medical technique for soldiers bo'ladi. Soldatlar uchun ishlatilgan. Soldiers bo'ladi. Marie Curie saw the importance of collecting radioactive material both for research and for a case of something. Collecting radioactive material. Research into chemistry of radioactive substances, research, and cases of verification. Chemist is a need to convert intense radioactive source. O'z ko'rganingizlik outstanding achievementlardan biri u tushungan accumulate qilish kerakligini, o'sha radioactive sourcelarni accumulate qilish kerakligini tushungan. Not only to treat illnesses but also maintain as an abundant supply of research. Demak, o'shunda research uchun ishlatilgan and for the case of illnesses bo'ladi. Illness bo'ladi. Illnesses emas, illness bo'ladi. Keyingi qismga o'tamiz. Keyingi qismga o'tishda onlayn o'zgartira olamiz. Keyingisi, hop. 11 minutes. A lot. Radioactive material stocked in Paris contributed to discovery of the discoveries and theories of the something and of what known as artificial radioactivity. Discovery of neutron. During her research, Marie Curie expected exposed to radiation. As a result, she suffered from something. As a result of leukemia caused by exposure to radiation. Mana exposure to radiation bor, undan keyin leukemia bo'lgan. Bechora. It's crazy that they live their life like this and they just die. Shu bilan bugungi analizimiz o'z nihoyasiga yetdi. Agar kommentlarda xatoliklar bo'lgan bo'lsa, savollar tug'ilgan bo'lsa, yozib qoldirishinglar mumkin. Sizlarni keyingi darslarda ko'rishguncha. It's depressing, guys. Depressing. Bye.